Hi, I want to show you how to convert currency and units in Calculator app on iPhone. And firstly, we need to start by going in Calculator app. And if you are updated to the iOS 18 or later, then you should see this little calculator icon on the bottom. Tap it once and then toggle on the switch near option Convert. Here, as a first tap on the first unit, and you'll be able to switch from currency to angle, for example, or area. Also, you can convert data, kilobyte, gigabyte, and so on. And energy, force, fuel, length, power, pressure, speed, temperature, time, volume, weight, and that's it. For example, let's choose currency. Here, select first currency, let's say it will be dollar. Then tap on the second unit and set second currency, let's say euro. Now, after selecting both units, you just need to enter a number in this first field, just like that. Once the number is entered, the conversion will take place automatically and the result will appear in the second field. And if you want to change the type of conversion, for example, change from currency conversion to another unit, then touch the first unit again and set something else which will look like that. Also, you can tap on the arrows and change position of units. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.